As we wrap up another year, let's take a look back at the incredible journey of Hawaii LED screens in 2024. 2024 was a blast for everyone, especially for Hawaii LED Screen. As we reflect on the past year, we're reminded that every moment is a chance to focus on what matters most. We expanded our reach with new service centers and a dedicated warehouse to meet growing demands. This year saw the launch of G-Max and G-Flex, setting new standards with unmatched flexibility and design. Our LED screens lit up projects across hospitals, retail spaces, and more, bringing clients' visions to life. We're proud to have received the prestigious Times Business Award, recognizing our commitment to quality and innovation in the LED display industry. And participation in top-class expos, like Palm Expo and Infocom and many more, makes more connected to our customers. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. To ensure that, and to increase our customer knowledge, Hawaii organizes workshop for our customers to pass on the updates and many more. We proudly marked the inauguration of our Dubai office in Al Qusis, a key milestone in expanding our global reach. With state-of-the-art facilities and groundbreaking LED solutions, we're redefining the industry in the Middle East. Our customers' feedback drives us forward. We're grateful for their trust and support this year.
The Hawaii total family thanks.
So overall, I'm happy. It's good, and I recommend Martin.
Hawaii LED almost India leading brand.
और क्वालिटी के ऊपर भी बहुत बढ़िया है.
Looking ahead, Hawaii Group International is set to unveil a stunning corporate office and showroom in Kakinad, the heart of Kochi, spanning 1.5 acres with a remarkable 1 lakh square feet standalone building. This state-of-the-art facility will be a beacon of our growth and innovation and a new gold feather in the crown of Kochi. Thank you for making 2024 unforgettable. Here's to lighting up even more possibilities in 2025.